Hey y'all, this is a pack of chicken wings that I found at ShopRite for $15.85. I'm gonna go ahead, cut these up, and put them in my freezer to the side for my chicken stockpile. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video because listen, these shortages are real. You gotta learn to ration your food, your items, or anything that there's a shortage on, because you can't be out here cooking a whole pack of chicken when there's a chicken shortage. You gotta serve a fixed amount of things. So we're gonna cut this up, separate it. When I cook, I'm gonna cook just enough for everyone instead of cooking to make sure that there's gonna be leftovers, because sometimes leftovers do go in the trash. So we're not doing that during this time. We're gonna cut it up, split it up into 2 bags, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer. Hope you guys enjoy. Happy New Year. It's New Year's Eve today. And that is pretty much it, what we're going to be doing for this video. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and stop what you're doing and give me a big old thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. And if you've been here before, what is up, family? But like I said, I found this for $15.85. We're going to cut this up.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company?
Alright guys, so I removed the chicken from the packaging, and I'm gonna cut it right between the wing and the drum part, just like that, straight down the middle between the bristles. And that's about it. So I'm gonna chop up all this chicken, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean it.
Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies.
Alright, so I'm adding water to my bowl, and additionally I will be adding some salt and some vinegar to make sure that all the bacteria and that yellow stuff come up off the chicken. So y'all go ahead, make sure y'all watch.
I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love
remove it, remove it. If you gotta scrub it, soak it, soak it. Just remove that stuff there. Yeah, you gotta see that, right? Remove it. Alright, sometimes I'll be missing a few hairs when I'm cleaning chicken. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. So now I'm paying extra close attention to all the hairs that's in the chicken. And I'm just making sure that I'm pulling out all the hairs. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite dish with chicken.
From my window, sun's coming up like a day.
Alright, so I laid out a paper towel. I'm gonna put the chicken wings on the paper towel. I do this to get off any extra water because when I put this in a Ziploc bags, I do not want to have all that extra water that be creating all these icicles or whatever you call it, but it be creating a lot of little ice in the bag. So I just want to make sure I got all that excess water off of the chicken, and this is what helps. We're going to go ahead and start prepping the chicken, put it in a Ziploc bag, just like this, and then we're going to go ahead and freeze it. I actually have some tilapia to the back there that I'm going to go ahead and put in the freezer as well. I'm going to separate it, portion it, and then go ahead and put it in the freezer with this chicken, put it in my stockpile. And that is pretty much it. I'm going to take out a few pieces that I cooked for dinner that night. And then the rest, I'm going to go ahead and separate. Throw it in the freezer with the chicken, y'all. I do hope you guys enjoy this video, though. This is new to me. I'm learning as I go. I always kind of sort of like separated my meat, though. But I still was making a little bit too much, and a lot of food did go to waste. So this is me learning as I go, and I really do hope you guys enjoy, like I said.
Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. Spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend